What do you have to say about Pittsburgh?
It's awesome. That's Billy, that question.
Billy thinks it's awesome. I got a movie going here.
Oh my god.
Don't fall.
Hey, no, that's dangerous.
Yeah. Oh, look at how cute your sunglasses are. Thank you.
Hey, Colin.
Hey, Nelson.
Hey, Colin. Let me see your shirt again.
Oh my god.
Do you need help, Laura?
He's a bat.
Do you need help, Laura?
No.
He's a bat.
I love it.
What?
Stop. I'm trying. Sam, leave the branch alone.
But I'm tough.
Wow.
You got it,
Where's
Colin.
Daddy?
Get up there.
I mean, who are you? Who's the person? A kind of butterfly. I know. A kind of butterfly was right close to your butt.
Who's giving out money?
What?
Who's giving out money?
Those are like fluorescent orange, huh?
They look like little reading glasses.
Evidently.
I've only been there once.
Okay.
What, to get to the mall?
The outlet mall?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've only been there once.
Oh, well, we know how to get